I do remember how I was feeling when I first took the job. I had applied everywhere. My interviewer came and he asked me if I had any questions. I was like, yeah, I do have a question. Is there something wrong with my resume? And he was like, your resume is spotless. He gave me a chance. I ran with it. You walk in and it's like predominantly men, tools and noise, and it was unfamiliar territory. Work hard, be trainable, listen, take notes, and I end up doing it. I'm here 8 years later, doing great, and I love what I do. I have a daughter. I don't want her to ever feel like she has to fit in only in a certain place. The best way for me to show her that is for me to get up and do exactly what I expect of her. The women in aviation can do it. We here. We are here, and we ain't going nowhere. Thanks for letting us in.